Okay, I'm getting ready to service this hub. It's a rear hub, coaster brake, and it's got some bearings in there. And when I was turning it, before I disassembled this cup, it's right here. So this was on here, sitting flush all the way to the bottom. So before I disassembled this whole thing, I spun the coaster brake around, or the hub, the wheel in the hub, and noticed that there was some kind of stickiness, so it was griming, and I knew that at that point that I had to service this hub. So I'm taking this apart now, and it's got some bearings inside, and it looks really dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up, put some new bearings, new grease in there, and tighten everything back up.